I'm bored. I don't know what the fuck to do. What should I do? You know what? I'm gonna type in that phone number that I found from a random video. 9999999999999. Where does that lead me? Hello?
Hi, Ted?
My name's not Ted. But good guess, though.
Yeah, fine. Ted, I need to speak to Liz. Could you get...
Oh, dude, these are some awesome cookies from Chips Ahoy.
What who told you you can eat my cookies?
How are these your cookies? It's my house. They're my cookies. Well, they're not really mine. They're made from Chips Ahoy, but still.
Ted, I need to speak to my wife. So could you get her on the phone, please?
What the heck is this girl you're talking about? Should I go check in the shower?
No! I mean, no, that's fine. On your way out, just tell her I will be a few minutes late, but you shouldn't worry.
Do I really have to worry about this girl, yeah? Oh, man, these cookies! I gotta get the recipe from Chips Ahoy.
Put that cookie down! Now!
Goodbye. Cookies are still great, though.
Put that cookie, put that cookie, put that cookie, put that cookie, put that cookie down, cookie down, cookie down, put that cookie down, now, down, put that cookie down, cookie down, put that cookie down. Your wife's cookies, your wife's cookies, oh, excuse me. Your wife's cookies, your wife's
Oh, these cookies!
Who told you you can eat my cookies?
Oh, excuse me.
Your wife's cookies are out of this world. Down! Put that cookie down! Put that cookie down! Put that cookie down! Now! Down! Put that cookie down! Put that cookie down!
Big 12 to 15 minutes till golden brown. Till golden brown. Big 12 to 15 minutes till golden brown. Your wife's cookies are out of this world.
Put that cookie, put that cookie, put that cookie down! Put that cookie down! Put that cookie down! Put that cookie down! Now!
Till golden brown. Till golden brown.
This is really cool. How do you do this? Like this? No, I know. Like this. How about this, huh?
Oh, that's great.
Cookies.
Oh, just making up a storm here.
Yeah. Are we finished now? No! There's something here that doesn't seem quite kosher.
Got everything under control. Shuck.
It's turbo time. Put that cookie down. Put that cookie down. Put that cookie down. Down. Put that cookie 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 down. Cookie down. Put that 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 cookie down. And with that realistic voice,
Box that says, voice box that says,
stays.
There. Have you finished now? Yeah. I've done something really stupid today, huh?
Yeah!